Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Benny Show of channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Today I'm bringing you this new box. It's a pet grooming clipper set. It's good for like a small dog or a small cat. I bought it on Amazon for a very good price. This normally goes for $30-$40. I paid $15.99 plus tax shipping. So it has a bunch of things in it, which I will show you. It comes with wristless clippers, no cord. Okay, it's good for dogs and cats. Powerful engine, efficient battery, ergonomic design. It has inside 5-speed adjustment, titanium ceramic blade, charging and plugging. It comes with scissor, a comb, a metal comb to comb the dog or the cat gently. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. It's very cool. Look, this is the box. And this is how this looks like, see? They're very strong. And trims accurately, clean. And it has these 4 clips with different sizes. No, 5, I'm sorry, 5 clips. Charger, a lubricant to clean it, a brush. It came with a comb and scissors, and this is the small brush to clean it, and that's it. It's very convenient, and everything goes back to its place how it should. Let me explain again. The product package: 1 pet clipper, 1 rechargeable line battery, 6 combo attachment, not 5, 6. 1 charging adapter, 1 stainless steel comb, 1 cleaning brush, 1 clip oil, and 1 user manual. All this, and it comes with the scissors. As a stainless steel scissors. Just the scissor alone costs over $10 most of the places, and this comes with it. All together, I paid $15.99 for everything, plus tax and shipment. If you're buying something else over $25, so the shipping is included. Everything I bought on Amazon. And don't pay for fast shipping, because a lot of times within the timing, if it's the beginning of the week, you get the shipment. Even though you're not paying for overnight, they'll do it overnight because you're part of a one package. So best thing, just get the free one if you're not in a rush. I always get the free one because then you're not getting a deal. The best way to get a deal is if you include it within the $25. Okay? And it's easy. So I'm going to explain to you also what it says about the product description. The Juboo professional low noise pet clipper is equipped with a professional internal motor and a wide range of sizable limit combos so you can keep your pet hair as long as you like. Even if you are a non-voice trimmer, you will be able to trim your pet hair easily and smoothly, professionally and trustworthy. Choose the Jumbo electric clipper set for a safe and comfortable grooming experience. Again, guys, don't forget, like, share, comment below, subscribe. Tell me what you feel about this. Okay? And my bird just came out of the cage, and Milo is around, but he's not jumping on the Milo. That's weird. I mean, Milo's not jumping on my bird. Let's see, he's looking at it. It's so cool. Milo, stay. I'm afraid he's gonna chew him up. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Where I do short videos, thorough, convenient. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.